Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 581-3582. Or you can email or continue to email us at Jamaica Island Widelink at yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone number is no longer our number. 353-4752 is no longer our number. Our new telephone number, you can email, you can WhatsApp us or telephone us at 581-3582 or email us at Jamaica Island Widelink at yahoo.com. Remember that you can have classes with us, private tutoring at your home or at our place. To go to your home, it is $2,000 per class. The class lasts for 2 hours. Anywhere in the island, anywhere in Jamaica, or you can come to us in Portmore for $1,000 per class. That class, as in other persons, you will get a class with other persons included with this one. This one is for $1,000 per class. So you can have a class with us in Portmore for $1,000 per class. That class lasts for 3 hours from 10 to 1 or 1 to 4. So remember that our new telephone number is 581-3582 and our email address remains as Jamaica Island Widelink at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another of the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This question is question number 65 out of 150 questions. This question asks, what is the reciprocal of 3? And the choices are A, 1 over 3, B, 3 over 3, B, C, 3 over 1, D, 1 over 1. Again, the question and choices are, what is the reciprocal of 3? A, 1 over 3, B, 3 over 3, C, 3 over 1, D, 1 over 1. Do you know how to calculate the reciprocal? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up, and then you have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the answer? Again, I will ask a question and then tell my answer and then explain my answer. What is the reciprocal of 3? A. 1 over 3. B. 3 over 3. C. 3 over 1. D. 1 over 1. 3 is equal to 3 over 1, which is equal to 1 over 3. Answer E. Okay, I will now explain my answer. Write all whole numbers over 1. Write all whole numbers over 1. So 3 is actually 3 over 1. 3 is actually 3 over 1. So 3 is equal to 3 over 1. Now to get the reciprocal, turn this number upside down. Turn the number upside down. So 3 over 1 becomes 1 over 3. 3 over 1 becomes 1 over 3. So the reciprocal is 1 over 3. The reciprocal is 1 over 3. Answer 1 over 3. A. Answer 1 over 3. Answer A. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
Parents, if you don't know the GSAT or PEP lessons or need refresher help, purchase my quick read summaries. Well, the summaries are no longer being offered for sale. They are free by video on YouTube. And past papers and practice tests with answers and explanations. So these are past papers as well as practice tests. They are not all past papers. Some of them are practice tests. They are tests that were written for the exams to help your child to pass the exam. So they are practice tests, not past papers. They are practice tests. So again, parents, if you don't know the GSAT and PEP lessons or need refresher help, purchase my past papers and practice tests with answers and explanations. They are extremely helpful. Parents should help their children study for GSAT and PEP. If a survey should be done, it would find that almost all GSAT and PEP passers were helped by their parents. GSAT and GSAT and PEP preparations should be started from early. Parents are apt to think that the teacher at school must let the child pass. But remember this, most children fail GSAT. Private tutoring and very small classes is the right way to go for most children. Most people wait until January to look for help outside of the regular school. This is after they get the first term's school report or the child have done the mock exam. Not a good idea. GSAT and PEP is less than 2 months away then. From my experience, many of these children needing help can't even subtract properly at that late stage. How can they pass GSAT in less than 2 months? Be prudent if you want to be one of those who celebrate when GSAT or PEP results come out. GSAT preparations should start from grade 3. Yes, that's right, from grade 3. These GSAT past papers and practice tests are helpful to parents of GSAT students, students in grades 3, 4, 5, and 6, high school students who failed GSAT or who are weak in one or more subjects, adults and children who failed GSAT and will be doing CXC exams. This is because CXC exams, if you don't know the basics, you won't be able to handle the more complex questions, right? So you have to learn the basics first before you can move on to more complex problems. Some people who keep failing CXC is because they don't know the basics. That is why they are unable to pass. So get the basics first. So start with, do the GSAT if you need the basics. Do GSAT. Do the GSAT topics. So watch my videos and do the practice test, and then you move on to CXC. The CXC questions, which are more complex, the CXC studies. Then you move on to the CXC studies, which is more complex. Also, these past papers and tests and these past papers and practice tests. Also, these past papers and practice tests are suitable for persons sitting the GNAT exams, that is the grade 9 achievement test. The grade 9 achievement test, GNAT, persons in grade 9. Also, it's suitable for persons sitting heart aptitude test. So if you are doing an art aptitude test to get a job through hearts and you are unsure that you'll be able to pass that test, you can watch all the GSAT videos that I have offered here and do the practice test, and that will help you to pass the heart aptitude test and to get a job, and it will help you to get a job through heart. Also, the tests are helpful to persons who didn't finish high school or did poorly in primary. No. Also, the tests are helpful to persons who didn't finish primary school or did poorly in primary school. So parents, if you need refresher courses or if you need help with knowing what to teach, what to do, or if you don't know these lessons to help your child or to help your children, go ahead and watch these videos for yourself and do the practice test for yourself also, so that you will be able to help your child. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.